Today we got a video from Crime Cam Watch, and the title of the video is entitled Karen Turns Simple Traffic Stop into Felony Arrest.
On July 14, 2025, officers on patrol conduct a traffic stop on a vehicle displaying similar damages described in an earlier hit-and-run incident.
Reason why I'm stopping you today, for one, is you are missing your back bumper. So in the state of Florida, you're required to drive with a front bumper and a back bumper. Okay. No worries. Accidents happen. Look, listen. Just listen. Okay, listen. Accidents happen. I understand. But just know that is the reason for this stop. While I was driving behind you, you were unable to maintain your lane. You were kind of all over the road, okay? You're dancing? I gotcha. Oh, listen, we all like to have a good time. Trust me. Yeah. Hey, no worries. You got your drink?
I was dancing a little bit.
Gotcha. Hey, we all sing in the car. Well, listen, I think we found your bumper. You left it at Winn-Dixie. I think you might just left it behind. Yeah, I think it belongs to your car. Is it yours? Huh? What? You want to see it? We'll bring it over, and then we'll see if it's yours, all right?
It's going to be one of the things. Come in.
Sorry, I'm not in my best mood today.
Okay.
I can't stand your stupid question. Do I have a kid in the car? Do you see one? Do you see one?
No, I don't.
Why you ask me that?
I didn't ask you.
He did? Why you ask me that? You see one? Do I'm hiding one over here?
No.
Why you ask me that?
I didn't ask you.
He did. That's what I mean. I can't help myself. I cannot be mean with these stupid questions. I try not to be mean, but if you ask me stupid questions, I have to be mean because there's no other way.
Mm-hmm. Okay, can you exit the vehicle safely and tell me how this bumper situation happened?
Store.
Over here.
There's a little witchcraft store. And the bumper come out somehow.
Okay. Can you go off into the sidewalk here?
Oh, I'm going back to my car. I'm not going to the sidewalk.
Why are you going to go back to your car?
What do you want to mean the sidewalk? I'm getting a lawyer.
Look.
I'm getting a lawyer.
Okay.
I want a lawyer present. I'm not going to the sidewalk. Hell no, we're not getting in the sidewalk.
Okay.
Can I borrow your registration?
You have your registration?
Thank you. Do you have that insurance with you?
I'm trying, honey. Hang on.
Here, I'm gonna take this page off because I don't need it. This is your DMV. There you go.
What's your name, ma'am?
This is my driver's license. Check it out.
I don't have your license.
Go get it if you want to know my name.
Okay.
I'm busy with some things. And let me try this a different way because it's not working this way.
I thought you had your insurance.
I do have my insurance.
You just added your phone.
It's not going through, so let me get it another way. Give me a second.
Okay.
Don't annoy me.
I'm not trying to annoy you.
Hi. Okay. Let me remember her name. Hold on. Give me a second.
Hello.
I'm trying to remember my first name. Give me a second, honey. I'll talk to you in a minute.
Do you need an ambulance?
Why would I need one for?
Oh, okay.
Have I asked for? No. I go into weird situations. I don't ask for one. I'm asking for one right now. No, I don't. Give me a second. Not in there. So all of them must be like.
Yeah.
I need to send that over to the zone.
You know me around the buffer check from the 30.
I need to turn this on so I can turn this on, honey. I need my
You
phone
can just
on.
leave it on. You don't need to crank it. Go to charge when it's on.
Dumb fucking ass. Dumb fucking ass. Dumb fucking ass. I told you I need that for my phone. You stupid ass.
Oh, let me get some of that on my... Your bumper is missing. Do you know what happened to it?
I do.
What happened?
I was in a black witchcraft store and I got knocked off by God because God doesn't want me to be there. He knocked off my trunk because I was in a witchcraft store.
You was in a witchcraft store.
Yes, I was.
And who knocked off your trunk?
I don't know something. I don't know. It wasn't me.
You said a dude?
I don't know something.
So has it been missing prior to today, or this just...
Oh, yesterday.
Yesterday this happened?
Mm-hmm. I think I should change. I don't want to be able to miss the boat.
So he's going to pay to fix your car?
Yes.
Okay. This happened here or in Miami or in Fort Lauderdale?
It was actually in Fort Lauderdale, right? And Baby Boulevard.
Oh, okay, so the bumper's been missing. I got you. Can I ask you to step out to look at your car because there's something else missing on the other side besides your bumper, okay?
Mommy, when my bumper comes off, I took everything with her now.
Tell me, what did you take off?
The bumper was coming off. I was about to go to the church. I'm a Mormon. I go to the church every Sunday. It doesn't look like, but I am a Mormon.
What else did you take off?
I took everything that was hanging out in here.
Did you take off anything on the sides?
No, I just take the bumper off. That's all that comes off.
Okay,
the
what
guy charged me $200 to fix. I didn't have the
What
time
about,
to stop the car.
did you have to take this off?
No.
On either side of the car? You didn't have to take it off on the other side either?
No.
Okay, come here for a second. So it's missing from right here.
The other side.
And come here, walk this way for me. There's some fresh marks and then...
Oh, no, I hid the whole thing. I know what I did.
What?
I hid the whole thing.
Oh, wait, so tell me, I didn't know what happened with this. What happened with this?
I was getting to a store with something back, like in the trailer, hanging outside of the trailer, and I hid that thing was outside of the trailer.
When did this happen?
2 days ago, probably?
No, this is a lot fresher than that. This appeared to have just happened.
This was when this come off. And I went to the church on Sunday. This comes off.
But you just told me you only took off the bumper.
But this was with that when that happened.
Okay.
Everything.
You know what's worse than lying? Being drunk and lying, okay? Or being under the influence of something. You could tell she's definitely under the influence of something. You can see it all in her face. It's like, knock, knock, nobody's there. But she's trying to come up with the lie in real time. You had all that time while the cops was playing with your paperwork and doing yada, yada, this, that, and the third, for you to sit down and come up with a good story, okay? Say, sometime a good story might get you out of that jam. Obviously, they have the bumper, they have enough information and stuff like that, but a good story might get you up out of that jam sometimes. The story she coming up with, you going to jail, okay? You are going to jail. And then coming off with the rude attitude, that ain't helping in your favor neither. Whatever, you get mad at the cop, why are you asking me that question and blah, blah, blah. I ain't ask you that question. Like, don't annoy me. Don't ignore me or whatever. What'd she say? Annoy me. My bad. Don't annoy me. I'm not trying to annoy you. I mean, come on, man. Just crazy. She's bombed. He said, I go to church. It may not look like it. Yeah, I hope she ain't wearing that to church. Praise the Lord. Oh, God.
Happened at one time. That's why the guy already called me on the doors and these and that.
But hold on, because you told me you've never crashed into anyone. You told me
no, I didn't crash into anyone. It was a trailer. It was something hanging out of the trailer.
So something was hanging out of the trailer.
It was something out of the trailer and it hit the whole thing.
So how did you hit the side and the back?
Where that thing was hanging out of the trailer. I don't
Hang
know
on, listen to my question. Okay, tell me, how did you hit it? What part of your car? Were you reversing? Were you driving?
I was parking.
You were parking. Front? You were pulling forward or you were reversing? Okay, so if you were pulling forward, I could understand possibly scraping the side. Hold on.
I don't want you to understand anyway. It's my cross, my problem. Don't hold me. Don't hold me. Don't put your hands on me, girl. Don't put your hands on me. Why are you doing that?
Get her together.
Down.
Get her together.
Okay, hold on. Somebody, one person get up. One person get up.
Okay. I got this one right here.
7222 or code 5.
I fully expected that to happen.
Lost your mind. Get up.
That's a female cop, boy. Don't stop playing. The ladies ain't messing with you. Oh, she gonna get it right. She gonna tighten her up.
Let me tell you something.
Let me tell you something.
Stop.
We got it.
Do y'all have her hand?
I got it.
We got it.
Are you sure?
Hobble?
We got it.
Yeah, tighten her up, boy. Ain't messing with you. I love it. I love it when the lady cops get involved with the ladies,
Put your
man.
hands on me.
Relax.
Why the fucking whore put her hands on me? I want my lawyer present. Get that shit out of my hands now.
You call her a whore, but you got see-through clothing on. Look at that. Get her together.
Do you mind to get my glass out of the floor? You fucking bitch. Go.
Relax.
Get that fucking shit out of the floor. You fucking bitches. Oh, fucking dogs. I'll go over many fucking dogs. Stupid ass shit. Piece of shit. Okay, what do you mean to do? This Macarena? What do you want me to do?
Here, hold on. Listen to me. Listen to me. I'm gonna move your hair out your face, okay?
All right, baby. Go ahead.
Call rescue for me, please. Just call him.
Thank you.
Listen to me. Okay?
Yeah, rescue respond to our location.
During these exercises, you're not going to be restrained, detained, any of that. Okay? I need you to focus. I don't want any running. I don't want any fighting. I don't want any kicking. Do you understand me? If you do, that's just an example of what's going to happen. I'm not playing games. This is not why I'm here. You understand this? I was nothing but respectful to you. You can't walk away from me when I'm doing an investigation.
Okay, I heard.
Yo, she tightened her up. Tightened her up. Get her together. She said that is just an example of what's going to happen to you. Wait. She said, hold on. Yoked her up real quick. Said, hold on. Let me tell you something. Yo, what? She yoked her up. Said, yo, let me tell you something. Oh, yeah. Yeah. Boy. I love it. I love it. I love it, man. I love it. I love it. I love it. I love it. Listen, hold on. When a lady gets in trouble, the last person she want to see, and I say this all the time, so if you watch me, you know what I'm gonna say. The last person you want to see is a lady cop, man. Don't give her no lip. Don't back talk. Don't do none of that. She gonna straighten you out, boy. See how she yoked her up? She said, let me tell you something. Hold on. If you missed that part, hold on. I got to rewind that part. I'm not even going to lie to you. That was crazy. Hold on. We got to rewind that part. So where we at? 901? She said she yoked her up, said, yo, let me tell you something. Yoked her up crazy. All right, this is after she got it. Once she got her up, boom. Let's see. Right here. Yoked her. Let me tell you something. Yoked her up. Let me tell you something.
Stop.
Yoked her up. Act right, boy. What? You tighten up. Get your shit together. You out of line. You out of order. You need a little correction. You feel me? You need a factory reset. Let me tell you something.
Okay, you're moving your head.
What do you mean to do?
Okay. All right. Let me have her walk and stand at the tip of this red line. Right there. Right here.
What else?
All right. Now I want you to stand there. Okay? Put your left foot on the line. Stop.
She gonna tighten her up.
You don't know any crap in life. Get your fucking hands out of me. Don't fucking touch me. I will knock you off if you put your hands on me. I swear on God.
Go.
You're gonna really get him arrested. You should put your hands on me right now. I'll never you. Put your hands on me. You're gonna see what I'm gonna do. Put it. Do it. Do it. Do it. I wanna see because I'm gonna knock you off. Oh, stop right now.
Let me tell you something. If you threaten me again, we're gonna have a problem, okay? Stop. Stop.
She bit me.
Yep. We're code 6. So there goes another one.
Yep.
Now you have battery on multiple Leos. You want rescue to come?
No, it's fine. I just...
Here, put it in my camera real quick. Okay.
The bite marks right there?
Yep.
All right, cool.
Hold on.
Okay, I got the...
Take a picture of it before I go away. 7222, just information. We're going to be hobbling the female.
She gonna have a long night, boy.
You fucking be part of me. You are in my hands. You
Stop. Stop moving.
You fucking hard.
Stop moving. It won't.
Okay. You fucking black ass piece of shit. Go back to the fucking Marty.
Okay.
No, get the hands on me. You fucking whore.
Quarter 114. That works. You got her legs already?
Yep. You ready to get up?
Good, hold on. Attach your arms. Just here, put it on the cuff. Nah, we got it. Just look
Reckless
at it.
driver, southbound from the 19 against southbound from the 19.
Damn.
Both are gray.
What cuffs is this? It won't go.
Possibly a Volkswagen.
That's true.
Mississippi tag, Juliet, Charlie, 540, JCC, 540.
Up.
It was crossed into oncoming lane several times.
Carrier. Go.
The suspect was charged with 2 counts of battery on an officer, DUI, and resisting arrest. Thanks for watching, and remember to like, comment.
She was bombed. They got her together. I know she had a long night in there, boy. Oh, boy. She said, let me tell you something. I love it. I love it. Yo, they had, man, 5 out of 5, man. 5 out of 5. Perfect. She bit him. He took her down, said, wait, hold on. Boom. Oh, oh my God. 5 out of 5, man. This is great. This is great. Listen, you play stupid games, you win stupid prizes. That's how I go at the end of the day. Act right. You don't want to act right, they're gonna get you a factory reset. You know what I'm saying? You need a little, you need an alignment. Okay. Anyway, man, let me know how well you think the officers did in the comment section below, and I'm gonna catch you in the next video.